Let's talk about how to execute a turn next. First, you want to note a reference point in front of you, and then note the direction you are currently headed using the heading indicator. Our current heading is 310 degrees. We will do a full 360-degree turn, but you can practice longer or shorter turns as desired. Raise the wing in the direction of the turn to check for traffic. In this case, we will do a right turn. Look out in front of you to establish a 30-degree bank. Note the angle between the instrument panel and the horizon, keeping that as a sight picture in your mind. And apply enough rudder to avoid a slip or skid. In a real airplane, you can feel if you are slipping or skidding, but we can't in a flight simulator. However, you can use the ball in the inclinometer to tell if you are slipping or skidding. If the ball is to the left of the two black lines, add left rudder to get it to the center. If it's to the right, add right rudder to get it back to the center. As you begin the turn, pull back on the yoke to counteract the nose dropping. When you reach the desired bank angle, return the yoke and pedals to a neutral position. Keep holding back pressure on the yoke. The goal is to keep the nose of the plane at the same level when viewed against the horizon. You can glance at the altimeter and vertical speed indicator to make sure you are not climbing or descending in the turn. Note that the sight picture when you turn to the right will be different than when you turn to the left, as seen here. When you get to about half of the bank angle, you are ready to roll out of the turn. So half of 30 degrees is 15 degrees, which means we will roll out when we reach heading 295. Turn the yoke in the opposite direction and use a little rudder in that same direction. In this case, we will use left rudder. As the bank decreases, relax the back pressure on the yoke. When the wings are level, return yoke and rudder pedals to neutral positions, which neutralizes the ailerons and rudder. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to learn more.